Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your phone is online and has power. Updates need Wi-Fi or mobile data and at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions. Next, open the Galaxy Store app. This is where Samsung pushes keyboard updates. If you see a sign and prompt, sign into your Samsung account because some updates or permissions depend on it. Once logged in, tap the search field and type Samsung keyboard. This gets you directly to the keyboard listing so you can check for an update. Once you're on the Samsung keyboard listing, look for an update button. If present, tap it to begin downloading and installing. During installation, allow any requested permissions. They enable new features or fixes. If Galaxy Store shows no update, open Settings app's Samsung keyboard and clear cache or check for system updates as an alternate path. After install completes, restart the keyboard via Settings or reboot the phone. This makes sure the new version loads and avoids leftover process conflicts. After updating, verify success by opening Settings, General Management, Samsung keyboard, check the version and quickly test typing to confirm features work. If you see crashes or missing features, clear the keyboard cache first and force stop the app, then reopen. If problems persist, uninstall updates from the app info screen and reinstall from Galaxy Store. That often resolves corrupted installs. Make sure to back up personal keyboard data or custom predictions before a reset, and contact.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.